In this lesson, we are going to learn about inserting clip art and working with the clip art once we get it in our document, and then we're also going to deal with some page borders. So we're going to start by clicking on the Insert tab, and we're going to work in the Illustrations group here. You're going to see a button for clip art. I'm going to click that button, and it's going to open up my clip art gallery. Then I would, in the Search For button, type in the topic that I'm searching for and pressing the Go button, and the clip art gallery is going to load up clip art and pictures that deal with whatever topic you typed in. Once you find the one that you want, you can either double click it and it will go in, or you can click and drag, and that's going to place your clip art wherever it is you happen to click on that. And this one's a little big, so I'm going to resize it by using the handles on one side. Now we're going to work with this clip art just a little bit, because as you can see, there's no text really around it except down here at the bottom. There's a lot of blank area, so I'm going to show you some ways to correct that. So we're going to go up to our toolbar, our tabs, and we're going to click on the Picture Tools Format tab, and we're going to deal with wrapping the text around our image. And so you'll notice I have my picture selected, and I'm going to click on Wrap Text. And right now we are in line with text. But as you see, as I kind of scroll through these, the square text is going to put the text all around our picture, so it's squared in with the text. The tight, and you're going to see the text move just a little bit around this, makes it a little tighter up against our image. The through is going to make the text go through our image. Let's see here. And then the top and bottom is going to separate it to where there's no text on either side of our picture. It's above and below that. We can put text behind our image. If I click that one, you can see that our image is now behind the text. Or we can put it in front of, but you have to be careful about that because you're not going to be able to read all of your text in your document. You can also kind of edit the wrap points to kind of make it fit in with your text as much as possible. But I'm just going to choose the tight here for this image. And so those are some things that we can do. Now you can also position your picture with text wrapping. You can put it in the top left or the center of the top of your documents, and you can see how those work by selecting the different positions as you go along. So that allows us to position the picture in certain places with our text also. I'm going to close out of my clip art gallery, and I'm going to click on the Page Layout tab. I'm going to click out of that, and we're going to deal with the page borders. So I'm going to go to Page Background, that group, and Page Borders is the bottom section. And you're going to see that we have a number of styles here for our page border, and I'm going to click on Box here. And we can do double lines, and you can see over here on the right hand side how that's going to look as we do that. And we can also change the color of our lines. I'll make those red, and maybe the width is just a little bit thicker line. And I'm going to say OK, and that's going to put a page border, and you can see the triple lines there that go around my document. If I don't want lines, maybe I'll want some art around there to match up with whatever my document happens to be about. I can come through and click down here where it says Art and choose something that goes along with this, and we can change the size of this also with our width. If the pieces of cake here or whatever it is you choose is too big, we can make it smaller, or we can make them larger. And once I've done that, I can say OK, and it's going to add those pieces of cake around my document as a page border. So this lesson and what you learned today is about putting a clip art in and then text wrapping that clip art with the text, and then also adding either a lined border around our page or a clip art border around our page.